How to invert data on Excel. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can invert the data on Excel. For that, first of all, open your Microsoft Excel and find the data you want to invert. Once you have found the data you want to invert, now here insert a new column next to your data. You can give it a title and press enter. Then number the rows sequentially. Type 1 there and from the bottom corner of this box, drag it down. After dragging, click on this autofill option and select field series. Once you do that, you will number the rows sequentially. Now select your entire data, including the new column. Once you do so, go and tap on data at the top and from there click on this sort option. Click on this arrow and select data. Once you do so, from here choose to sort by helper column in descending order. And in this order section, here select if you want to invert your data from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Once you select one of these options, click on this OK button right here and you will see your data has been successfully inverted. You can see the numbers from largest to smallest in this helper column. Now you can just remove the helper column. So in this way you can invert data on Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.